Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will cover Nagarro, one of the global leaders in digital engineering. Nagarro operates in 39 countries with 17,500 plus experts delivering cutting-edge solutions across multiple specialties. We will go through all the important specialties of Nagarro and the key MCQs you need to know for interviews, along with the coding snippets for practical understanding. Throughout the video, we have shared MCQs with answers and coding snippets for each specialty so you can prepare efficiently for campus types, technical rounds and interviews. I have not covered detailed coding round here. If you want the full PDF with all MCQs and code snippets, you can contact me on WhatsApp number given in the video. So whether you are preparing for Nagarro interviews, campus drives or upskilling your knowledge, this video will give you a complete overview of all the key technical topics. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more interview preparation and tech content. So let's begin with the first specialty of the company, Nagarro. So data science and analytics. What is the primary goal of data science? Answer is extracting insights from data. Which library is commonly used for data manipulation in Python? Pandas. Structured data is best stored in relational databases. What does EDA stand for? Exploratory data analysis. Which measure is not a measure of central tendency variance? Which tool is used for big data processing? Hadoop. Which chart is best for showing distribution? Histogram. What is missing data handling techniques? Imputation. Which Python library is used for numeric computing? All of the above. Which SQL clause is used to filter rows? Where? Outliers be detected using boxplot. Which metric evaluates model accuracy for regression? RMSE. Which file format is columnar and optimized for analytics? Arcute. What does ETL stand for? Stack transform load. Which technique reduces dimensionality? PCA. Which database is NoSQL? MongoDB. Which visualization library is interactive? Plotly. What type of analysis predicts future outcomes? Predictive. Which process ensures data quality? Data cleaning. Which role focuses on business insights? Data analyst. And the coding questions, each will have 5 coding parts. So next one is machine learning and artificial intelligence. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Which type of learning uses labeled data? Supervised learning. Algorithm is used for classification. Decision tree. What is overfitting? Model memorizes training data. Which metric is best for imbalanced datasets? Precision recall. Which algorithm is unsupervised? K-means. What does CNN stands for? Convolutional neural network. Which activation function is commonly used in hidden layers? ReLU. Which library is mostly used for ML in Python? All of the above. What is the output of range of sigmoid? Option B. Which technique prevents overfitting? Dropout. What is the purpose of train test split? Evaluate model performance. Which algorithm used for dimensionality reduction? PCA. Reinforcement learning uses rewards and penalties. What is an epoch? One complete pass-through dataset. Which loss function is used for regression? Mean squared error. Which model is best for test data? RNN LSTM. AI that mimics human decision making is called strong AI. Which technique improves model generalization? Cross-validation. Which AI field deals with image recognition? Computer vision. And the coding questions, coding snippets for. Next one is cloud computing. Cloud computing provides resources over internet, which is not a cloud service model. DBAs. AWS EC2 is an example of IaaS. Which cloud model offers maximum control? Private. Which service is serverless? AWS Lambda. What does auto scaling do? Adjust resources automatically. Which storage is object-based? Amazon S3, which protocol is used for cloud security. HTTPS, which cloud ensures data isolation. Private, which cloud feature uses cost. Pay as you go, which AWS service is used for databases. RDS, which cloud provider is from Google. GCP, which tool is used for container orchestration. Kubernetes, which service delivers content globally. CloudFront, which cloud model combines public and private. Hybrid, what IAM used for access management, which service does cloud resources. CloudWatch, which service is best for microservices. Containers, which deploy user CI/CD. DevOps, which cloud benefit improves reliability, fault tolerance, and the coding snippets. Next one is application development. Application development primarily focuses on networks, which language is widely used for enterprise application. Java. REST stands for representational state transfer, which HTTP method is used to create data. POST. MVC architecture separates logic and UI, which framework is for backend development in Python. Flask, which data format is commonly used in APIs. JSON, which is a front-end technology. React, what is middleware, software connecting components. Which database is relational. MySQL, which manages dependencies in Java. Maven, what does CRUD stand for? Create, read, update, delete, which protocol secures web apps. HTTPS, what is API, application programming interface, which tool is used for version control. Git, which architecture uses independent services. Microservices, which testing ensures code correctness. Unit testing, which is stateless. HTTP, which language is used for Android development. Kotlin, CI/CD helps in faster releases and the coding questions. The one is digital transformation and modernization. Digital transformation primarily focuses on using digital tech to improve businesses. Legacy modernization means updating old applications. Which tool enables scalability in modernization? Cloud computing, which approach is used to modernize legacy systems. All of the above, which out of benefit of digital transformation. Improved customer experience, which architecture supports modernization based. Microservices, what does DevOps improve? Deployment frequency, which tool supports CI/CD? Jenkins, what is the main goal of modernization? Improve performance and agility. Which method breaks applications into services? Microservices, which cloud strategy avoids vendor lock-in? Multi-cloud, which tool automates infrastructure? Terraform, which modernization approach changes application code? Refactor, what is digital first strategy? Prioritizing digital solutions, which KPI measures transformation success? Deployment frequency, which testing ensures smooth modernization? Regression testing, which tech enables continuous improvement? Agile, what does containerization helps with application portability? Which role drives transformation? Digital consultant, which is an example of modernization? Cloud native microservices and the coding snippets. Next one is intelligent automation. Intelligent automation combines RPA AI. RPA stands for robotic process automation, which is best suited for RPA, rule-based repetitive task. Which tool is an RPA platform? UiPath, what does OCR help with? Text extraction from images. Which AI technique enables chatbots? NLP, which process is automated in IT ops? Incident management, which automation reduces human errors? Intelligent automation, which component adds intelligence to EA? Machine learning, which data is best for automation? Structured and rule based. Which benefit is key to automation? Cost reduction, which tool is used for workflow or orchestration. Airflow, which automation is cognitive. AI-powered automation, which technology enables document processing. OCR plus NLP, which automation improves SLA. Automation boards, which concept means automation at scale. Hyperautomation, which role is designs automation workflows. RPA developer, which metric measures automation success. All of the above, which system integrates automation. All of the above, which AI Ops feature predicts failures. Predictive analytics in the code snippets. Next one is IoT wearables. IoT stands for Internet of Things. IoT devices primarily communicate using Internet protocols. Which protocol is lightweight and used in IoT? MQTT. Wearable devices are designed to be worn on body. Which sensor measures heart rate? PPG sensor. Which connectivity is commonly in wearable? Bluetooth Low Energy. Which component process IoT data locally? Gateway. Which layer handles data storage? Cloud layer. What is an actuator? Device that acts on commands. Which OS is used in wearable? Wear OS. Which security challenge is common in IoT? Device authentication. Which cloud service is used for IoT? AWS IoT Core. What does edge computing do? Processes data near source. Which wearable tracks physical activity? Fitness band. Which protocol is secure? HTTPS. Which data type is generated by IoT sensors? Streaming data. Which architecture is used in IoT? Layered architecture. Which technology enables smartphones? IoT. Which wearable feature improve healthcare? Health monitoring. Which challenge affects wearable battery life? Continuous sensing in the coding snippets. Here we go to the next one. AR VR assisted reality. AR stands for augmented reality. VR provides fully immersive virtual environment. Assisted reality is mainly used for on-field guidance and support. Which device is used for VR? VR headset. Which technology overlays digital content on real world? AR. Which SDK is commonly used for AR? Unity. Which sensor enables motion tracking? Accelerometer. Which industry uses AR for maintenance? Manufacturing. VR is best suited for training simulations. Which display is used in VR headsets? OLED. Which challenge affects VR experience? Motion sickness. Which tech tracks hand gestures? Camera sensors. Which language is used in Unity? C. Which reality blends virtual mixed reality? Which headset supports assisted reality? HoloLens. Which field uses VR for therapy? Healthcare. Which tool is used for 3D modeling? Blender. Which reality is cost effective for enterprise? Assisted reality. Which AR feature uses camera feed? Object recognition. Which tech enables immersive experience? All of the above in the coding snippets. Next one is CRM ERP systems. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Manager. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. CRM focuses mainly on customer interactions. ERP integrates multiple business processes, which is a popular CRM tool. Salesforce. Which ERP module handles finance? FI. Which ERP system is widely used? SAP. CRM improves customer satisfaction. Which ERP module manages supply chain? CSCM. Which CRM feature tracks leads, sales pipelines? Which ERP deployment is cloud-based? SaaS ERP. Which CRM is cloud-native? Salesforce. Which ERP module handles HR? HCM. CRM analytics helps in customer behavior analysis. ERP ensures process integration. Which technology integrates CRM and ERP? APIs. Which ERP is open source? Odoo. Which CRM supports automation? Salesforce workflows. ERP implementation challenges user training. Which role configures CRM consultant in the coding snippets? Next one is independent testing and validation. Independent testing means testing done by a separate team. Main goal of software testing is to find defects. Which testing is done first? Unit testing. Which testing validates business requirements? UAT. Which testing ensures new changes don't break existing code? Regression. Which testing is black box? Functional testing. Which testing checks performance under load? Load testing. Automation testing uses tools. Which tool is for automation testing? Selenium. Which testing checks application security? Security testing. Which testing validates individual modules? Unit. Which test focuses on user experience, performance? What is test case? Set of steps to verify functionality. Which document defines testing scope? Test plan. Which tool manages test cases? Test rail. Which testing checks extreme conditions? Stress. Validation ensures the right product built. Which testing is non-functional? Performance. Bug life cycle starts with reporting. Which testing ensures cross-browser support? Compatibility in the coding snippets. Next one is managed IT services. Managed IT services mean outsourced IT operations management. MSP stands for Managed Service Provider. Which service is typically managed? Network monitoring. SLA stands for Service Level Agreement. Which metrics measures service availability, uptime? Which tool is used for monitoring? Grafana. Which service ensures data recovery, backup and DR? Which approach is proactive? Managed services. Which ITIL process handles incident management? Which tool is used for ticketing? Jira Service Management. Which service reduces downtime, monitoring and alerting? Which cloud service supports managed IT? AWS Managed Services. Which metrics tracks response time? MTTR. Which role manages IT operations? IT operations engineer. Which service includes patch management? Managed IT services. Which automation helps MSPs? IT automation tools. Which ITIL concept improves service quality? Continual service improvement. Which dashboard visualizes system and health? Grafana. Which risk is handled by MSP? IT infrastructure failure. Which service model is subscription based? OPEX. In the coding snippets. Next one is user experience. User experience. UX stands for user experience. UX design focuses on user satisfaction. UI stands for user interface. UX research involves user interviews and testing. Wireframes are used to design UI layouts. Which principle improves usability? Consistency. Which tool is used for UX design? Figma. User personas represent target users. UI testing validates user flows. Which metric measures usability? Task success rate. Which design focuses on mobile first responsive design? Which UX principle reduces cognitive load? Minimalism. Accessibility ensures all users can use product. Which color model is used in digital design? RGB. UX design improves customers' retention. Which UX activity involves testing prototyping? Usability testing. Which element guides user attention? White space. Which UX principle focuses on error prevention? Validation. Which design improves readability? Proper contrast. UX design is continuous process in the coding snippets. Here we end the video. If we cover all of these questions, it will be a lengthy video, so take PDF from me. Here is the WhatsApp number given in the video and complete the PDF all questions. Thank you so much for watching this video.